Malpais National Monument. Alright, we visited the visitor center, and I'm going to go drive down the road a little ways. She pointed us towards a couple of trailheads to go hike on, and hopefully this storm doesn't hit us. It looks like it's getting kind of dark out here, but we'll see what we can see in the amount of time we got between now and the storm, or now and the dark. Alright, made it up on this plateau here called Sandstone Bluff. There's another informational sign. Welcome to Malpais. I can't pronounce it. Anyway, there it is. And it overlooks, oh my gosh, holy cow, it overlooks the lava field. Look at how vast and massive that is. Oh my goodness.
Wow, that's cool.
And it's even raining out there too. Wow, this is massive. You can see it from satellite imagery. It's really big because it's just as massive this way too. And look at how far it goes that way. All the way back to the town where we're staying the night. It's way out there on the edge. Holy cow, that is impressive. And just for funsies, let's look off the edge. It's a long ways down. Alright, we made it to the Lava Falls Trail. Tells a little bit about the trail and the pinyon pines we'll see on the trail. Looks like some of them might be hundreds of years old, even though they don't look that old. So that's one of those twisty, curvy trees that might be super old. And look at how close those tree rings are, right? All the way in there, clear to the center. Yeah, this talks about where they had the bombs, where they bombed the crater anyway. There's still unexploded ordnances in here. If you find them, report them. Alright, we're just weaving our way through the vegetation and we're walking on lava. And you gotta pay attention because there's really no trail to follow other than these little rock cairns right here. Gotta keep your eye out for those. Now you really gotta pay attention to these cairns because you can get turned around and lost in here pretty easily. So you want to make sure you don't go from one to the next until you see the next. Yeah, this is all lava rock.
That's cool.
It's jagged under your feet too.
Yeah, it is.
There's another cairn. Here we go. There's these cracks where the lava cooled and split apart. Yeah, don't slip down into those cracks.
No.
Oh, this is super cool. Never hiked through a lava field before. It's pretty good. Christy's standing on where the lava got all bunched up like you would pushing a towel across the countertop. How it makes its little lumpy formations as it moves across the ground. Yeah, some of these cracks are like super deep. Got some cool formations down here in the little swirl pattern in lava flow there. It's pretty neat.
I said that like it'll dry and then it can flow over top and dry a different way.
It's cool. Look at how chunky this landscape is. It's all crazy. See how it pools up as it flows. Pretty neat. Oh wow, there's a lava flow canyon right there. That's pretty neat. That's a cool little depression area. Looked like maybe there were some lava tubes or something down in here to check out, but I don't know. You know when you're cooking brownies and you pull them out of the oven and they got that flaky layer on top? Doesn't that look delicious? I think it's super cool down here that they, right in the middle of a lava flow, it's just solid rock, and then life finds a way, and all these trees, shrubs and everything just grow. It's pretty crazy. Oh, look at the flow on that one. It just kind of crinkles its way across. Huh. Yeah, like right here, it's just kind of clump its way through.
Sorry.
And there too.
Java the Hutt.
Yeah, Java the Hutt. And it's like a different flow, and this is a different flow. It's like two different time periods or something. Yeah, there's a video on the National Park webpage that talks about this whole area and shows all the different flows, lava flows out of the volcano and cinder cones that cover this area at different time periods. It's neat to see the depiction of how it flowed out in the video. Anyway, check it out if you get a chance. Yeah, there's more of that wrinkled formation as it goes across. Here's a cool area where it takes us. See the rock cairns right here? They take us down into that big hole right there. One thing about hiking on this lava rock is you got good grip with your shoes because it's so pointy. Yeah, this is where it was talking about little sinkholes that would happen and then it would collapse underneath it. But there's some lava tube caves in here too, if you could access them. They have a bunch in this area, but the park map said they're not open yet because of the bat migration or hibernation or something. Well, we made it to a sign. Looks like there's a little 0.2 spur trail over here to a lava bowl. And then half mile back. So we're gonna go check out this 0.2 spur. Seems how we're here already. Looks like we're gonna hike down this lava canyon. That's pretty neat. Oh, it looks like the lava bowl's right there. It's not very far at all. Welcome to the lava bowl. It's this big circular depression in here. It's almost like the lava flowed around this area for some reason on a secondary flow or something.
Yeah.
It's pretty neat. That's how we came in right there. Look at that crack right there. Oh, check that out. Alright, so there's a kind of a lava hole there, but it's part of this bigger crevice right here. pretty neat. I came up here to get a closer look at it, but look at how far down that goes. Holy cow. That goes way down there. Wow. Well, hey, check it out. Christy found some snow. Right there in the hole. Huh. It's pretty cool. It's kind of a mini cave down there. It's like a collapsed lava tube or something. Right in there, Christy found some snow. Down there in that little, we call that snow cave. Looks like there's a little archy thing right here too. Little lava bridge over the snow. A mini lava tube right there. Wow, that's neat. Deep? Yeah, it's deep. Alright, that's about concluding Lava Falls Trail. It was pretty cool. I think it's worth the 1 mile jaunt around there. Super windy. Got to be mindful of children and dogs.
Yeah, scary.
You know, you could lose one in one of those crevasses pretty easy. And it wouldn't be an easy task to get them out. So, got to watch your step on this trail with the young ones, but certainly worth checking it out. And hold on to your hats too. You don't want to lose one of those down in the crevasse, or you're going to donate to the national park. Anyway, pretty cool trail. All right, we made it to a place called Ventana Arch. It's on BLM side of this national monument we just been at with the lava tubes. Lava field, I guess. I'm gonna hike up here and get a good viewpoint of this arch, even though you can see it from the parking lot. All right, we got an accessible path right here to the viewpoint from the parking lot for those with disabilities. There's a little bit tells about the area. And there's the arch up in the cliff line there.
Huge.
It's ginormous. If we get close enough, you can see daylight through the top. Oh, yeah, look at that. Some of the cholla is starting to bloom. Oh, beautiful. There it is. Whee! Wow, it's real big. Looks like this is as close as you can get. Alright, what do you think?
Really big. Probably reminds me of the other arch.
Yeah.
Near Kodachrome Basin?
Yeah, near Kodachrome Basin. It looks like, kind of like Grossven. Anyway, here it is, Ventana Arch. Alright, that was a quick roadside turnout. Looks like this storm cloud has finally blew its way to us. And it's getting cold. Looks like it's starting to rain off in the valley there where we're headed. Yeah, look at that view out through the desert. That's pretty.